Buenos dias, bitches. It's your girl, daljiimarax. If you're new here, welcome. Bienvenidos to your favorite solo travel channel. Yes, I already made the decision for you. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Just get that out the way and you are part of the fam. Boo, welcome. So I am in Lima, Peru, as I said, and I am giving you guys an Airbnb tour. I chose an Airbnb because I wanted to be in a high-rise and see cute views of the ocean, the Pacific cold-ass ocean and whatnot. And it's so cute here. Like, it was very affordable, and it was in the popular area of Barranco, right next to Miraflores. And I'm like, yes, like, this is exactly what I need. So I'm gonna give y'all a little tour of my little apartment or whatever, and let's go. So right when you enter, their key system is like top tier. Like, ain't nobody breaking up in this apartment. Even if they do get up here, the door is like some steel looking wood, so cute. Then when you turn over here into the kitchen, boo, like, look at this. Like, the thing I appreciate about other countries that America doesn't have, like, everything in America is so big. Like, if I could use one word to explain America, it's extra as fuck. Like, we have unnecessary space. We have too much room into our apartments. We always have too much stuff. Like, look at this fridge. Look how, like, it has no depth. It's more so width. Like, it's not deep. American refrigerators and freezers are deep. This one, on the other hand, it's like you literally can only fit in here what you need. Like, don't try nothing else. Next, they got this cute ass little microwave and stove that I'm not using, or oven. I love how all of their cabinets are like the soft, is it the cabinets? Oh, it's the bottom ones. They're like that touch and then pops open. Love that. This little, and then when you turn over, you have this beautiful view. Look at this kid. Look at this freaking living room. Like, my living room is bigger, but this one is like more aesthetically pleasing. Like, this is so freaking cute if you live alone. Obviously, they got this cute ass mirror. Like, they knew I was coming. I love these freaking chairs that they have as well. I'm like, dang, like, this is some quality, you know, bar table chairs or whatever. Moving along to this beautiful freaking view. This balcony is so cute. It does look better on the Airbnb listing, but I don't need nothing like more than this. Like, this is all that I needed. And then you have this beautiful view of Barranco. Look at all the traffic and all the crazy drivers. Yes, this is what we love. This is what we love. So I came out here like anytime I needed to eat. I was on doing some work on my laptop. Just came out there and did that because it has an outlet that's like right next to it, so I can just put my laptop right there. Moving on. And I think this is a non-American thing. I don't know if we have these in America, but this is a washer and dryer in one. We don't got that in America, okay? At least I've never seen it. So moving along to this cute ass bathroom, child. Like, it's mad cute. Like, don't play with the bathroom. So the shower gets extremely hot. See, I'm the type of girl, when I get in the shower, I need my showers to give me a 3rd-degree burn. Like, that's what I gotta do. I cannot do no cute little warm shower. I'm gonna fuck if it's 200 degrees outside. I need a hot ass shower, and this definitely delivered. Look how cute these freaking doors are though. Like, they close like this. I've never seen that before. So now we're in the freaking bedroom, and like, this is mad cute. Like, I love the freaking view. I love the floor to ceiling windows. I love me floor to ceiling windows. Like, that's my favorite thing. Flat screen TV is cute. They have this cute ass air conditioner. They don't have central air here. One thing I have to get used to, remembering that like central air is not common. And also, it's definitely not common in the United States. Like, I live in an apartment, so obviously I have central air. So when I go other places, I'm like, dang, like, you know, I got central air. Like, duh. I'm so used to being in my apartment all the time. I'm like, fuck. All the apartment. Like, the apartment is mad cute. I love it here. It's the perfect location. Like, obviously the information will be in the description box below. The Airbnb host Julio is so fire. Like, he helped me out with everything. Last night when I went out, he gave me bar and club recommendations. I asked him, like, what can I get, you know, money exchange for the best rate. Like, he hooked me up. Like, he was so nice. He helped me with the washer and dryer. Gave me he gave me directions, obviously, how to get here and how to get into the apartment and check in, but he gave like a video tutorial. I'm a visual learner. Love that for me. Love that for him. So if you stay in Lima, Barranco, I highly recommend you stay at this Airbnb. It's especially if you solo traveling. Like, I felt very safe here. Like, it's bomb here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this apartment tour, because I enjoy giving it to you. Like, it's so cute over here. Like, look at this freaking bedroom. Like, quit playing with me. I love this apartment. I love the it's just the perfect modern little thing. It's perfect for me. Like, this is my type of vibe. This is my aesthetic. Obviously, if you want to be in a more organic neighborhood, or you know, you want an aesthetic that's more organic to Miraflores or Barranco, you definitely want to stay in those areas. There's different places like that. But we wanted a high rise with a view, okay? And then this was in my budget, baby. This was cheaper than a hotel over here. Like, by my standards, this was cheaper. So I'm like, bet this is not a problem. I'm cool with Airbnbs. Yes, Airbnb sponsor me, boo. But anyway, that's it. Apartment tour, baby. Oh, y'all thought this Peru trip was over? Make sure you subscribe, because baby, this is nothing. I ain't seen shit yet. Okay. Okay. Bye.